In today's video, I will walk you through how to create multiple watch lists on investing.com. Creating multiple watch lists is a great way to organize different markets, trading ideas, or investment strategies in one place. Instead of keeping every asset in a single list, you can separate them into categories that are easier to monitor. Whether you want one watch list for stocks, another for cryptocurrencies, or one for Forex pairs, investing.com lets you create and manage multiple watch lists with just a few clicks. To get started, head over to the Watch List section from the top menu. Look for the plus icon near your current watch lists. Click this option to begin creating another list. A window will appear asking you to enter a name for your new watch list. Choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of the list. For example, you might create one called Tech Stocks, another named Crypto Portfolio, or one for dividend stocks. Giving each watch list a descriptive name makes it much easier to find the right one later. After entering the name, confirm your choice by selecting the Create button. Investing.com will immediately add the new watch list to your account. Once the watch list has been created, you can start adding assets to it. Search for the stock, cryptocurrency, Forex pair, commodity, or other financial instrument you want to track, then choose the option to add it to a watch list. If you have multiple watch lists, you'll be able to select the specific one where you want that asset to appear. Repeat this process for any additional assets you want to organize. You can continue creating as many watch lists as you need to separate different markets, trading strategies, or long-term investments. As your watch lists grow, you can switch between them whenever you want by selecting the watch list name from the available list. This allows you to quickly focus on a specific group of assets without scrolling through one long collection. If your investing goals change over time, you can also rename, edit, or delete watch lists later through the watch list management options, making it easy to keep everything organized. And that's how to create multiple watch lists on investing.com.